as I can be. Barefoot on the soft ground, feeling so carefree. Every step I take now, petals in the sun, trail of flowers blooming when the day is done. Dancing with the breezes, laughing with the trees, painting all the landscapes with my memories. Colors always shifting in the golden light, leaving beauty behind me every day and night. Whisper to the wild sky, let my heart be known. Spread my joy to every place, wherever I may roam. Gonna keep on wandering till the twilight hour, and in my wake forever there'll be a trail